bit of a wet day today, but I am at the West Somerset Railway. I'm going to be taking one of the trains soon at about 12 something, so yeah, bear with, and I will, so I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a park train there, and I will probably get back to you when the train will clear that. And then looks like they're working on some stuff in that workshop, so yeah, I'll catch you guys in a minute.
No, for sure. That's probably Jamie's tea there.
Alright, we'll let it cool off. Take your tea bag out though. Dogfish.
One thing you had this morning was to start at about 5 o'clock or whatever, getting the pipes ready and so then they finish.
on here and see if we can find money. Yeah.
There's the pig. Hey guys, so I am at Bishop's Lynyard Station. I'm at the last station, and then we'll be heading back to Minehead at about 2:25. The train will be leaving. So yeah, I'm just up in here. We're just having a quick toilet break. I'll be getting off in a minute to go and have a toilet, so I might take you with me just to have a little explore of the station, and then we'll head back to Minehead, and then yeah, that'll be another one for today's adventure. Yes. So there's a kid crying in the background, but other than that, yeah. It's been quite a nice little journey. It's finally stopped raining. Don't know if you can see out the window, but yeah, it's finally stopped raining. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's been quite a nice journey. Yeah, the rain stopped. We'll check the station in a minute, and yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this, and any of the any of the other videos here. So yeah, you would have probably seen the other videos depending on which way I want to this, but yeah, I don't know if I'll do any more this week, depending on where I go, depending on the weather and what I do, but yeah. Sorry about that screaming kid in the background. It's a bit upset, I think, that we've stopped, but yeah, so this is the little thing, and this is the map of the route. Don't know if you can see from there. So we're here, we're going back up to Minehead. Train leaves 2:25, so we're back in Minehead at 3:50, and we left Minehead at 12:20. So yeah, it's been quite a nice little route. West Somerset Railway. See what other stuff they do. So they do a buffet cart. So they also do murder mysteries, afternoon teas, cheese and cider cream tea special, fish and chip cream tea special, and Quantox Bell dining tray. All of that. So yeah. So that is really what they do. And yeah, a bit warm on this train now. I'm gonna end this little bit here. This might be the end of the video. I might get out and show you the platform in a minute. But yeah, if I've got time, what time is it? 4:48. So yeah, I might have a bit of time. I won't share it right away because I've just got to wait here until someone comes back and then I can get off. So yeah, catch you guys in a minute.